Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So it's my favorite day of the week. It is coin and cash collection day down at the laundromat. Let's go see how good the weekend was to us. Looks like we were pretty busy, so hopefully we made a good profit. Alright, let's in here. Let's start on the right side today and see what we got. Start with big number 30. On to this side, we got one of our front loaders over here. Had to throw it in where it can fit. That didn't do too well. Oh well. That's what the big machines are for. Let's see what this 40-pounder did. It usually doesn't do too bad. Okay. Not bad. Yep. Got a lot of trouble with these keys today already. Go to the big money makers. See what we got. Not bad. Not bad. A little busy yesterday. Poking in and out, checking it out. It's pretty busy. Somebody put an out of order sign on one of our dryers. I went and checked it already, but it seems to be just fine. I bet you they had it overloaded, so usually seems to happen a lot. People overload the machine and then they want to put the out of order sign on because it's not working how they want. So just run a couple quarters through, check it out, and it was fine. So we'll take that off and get it back in service. Hello, one on the road usually doesn't do too well, but not bad. The ones in the front of the store usually carry the load. Let's go see how well these top loaders did this weekend. Yeah, we'll start here in the front. Fortunately, I got two sets. I got a brand new set and then an older set, so there's two different keys. It drives me nuts, but yeah, not bad. Let's see, these top loaders, nope, wrong key. See, it's always the wrong key. But these top loaders, not too bad for a day or two. This is only, what, 2 days collection. This is for Saturday and Sunday. This is first thing Monday morning. We're down here. So, I collected on Friday night, I believe. So, this is all just for the weekend. Again, it's not bad. If they're about that full during the week too, so they do pretty well. Definitely don't mind having them. You know, I'm not going to get rid of them unless something major happens. We're doing good. We're carrying on. You know, we've done this laundromat for, let's say, what, 2 months now. So things are going good. Learning our way around. We're earning our money back slowly. And see, it's a good time. For some reason, the further back in the day you get, they actually do a little better, probably because they're close to those dryers. Alright, moving along, let's see. Almost done with this row. Bucket's filling up. Still got the big machines in the front to do. We got this wall of dryers, washers. So, bucket's looking pretty good. It's been a pretty busy weekend. Like I said, I was looking at the King Rose and I stopped in and looked. over the weekend, and it had a pretty steady flow. Yeah, somebody putting that out of order machine on, or out of order sign on that dryer. I got a message yesterday evening about it, so luckily it wasn't out all weekend, so I was able to still call it. It's never good to have a machine out for the weekend. Let's check out what our machines at the end of the road did. So these ones usually aren't too bad. Another good one. Last one was better on these ones, but let's check the other side. Let's see what they got. It's about 7 a.m. There's already somebody in here. The door's open at 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. So, but there's already somebody in here washing and drying. So it's a good sign. Usually Monday mornings definitely pick up a little bit too. So let's move on. And so I went ahead and collected all these front loaders already. Didn't want to bore you to death, so I'll show you what the dryers are gonna make in it. It pretty much shows the washers, but I'll show you dryers too. Try and move. Don't bore you too much, you know, with seeing everything, but you know, see what each machine makes, you know, because you know, for 25 cents you get 3 minutes of 5 minutes on our dryer. Sorry. So for 25 cents you get 5 minutes. It's probably a little bit more than our competitors do. I believe they're 3 minutes, but you know, the dryers aren't your big money maker. So washers and bending are gonna make some money. So the bigger the machine, the more that it's gonna bring in. These front loaders, they do pretty well as well. They're not as bad. About the same as the top loaders. I don't have no need to replace them. They're all in really good shape and good looking machines. They all work just fine. So as long as everything's working and up and running, and keep it going. We do gotta getting ready to think about redoing this floor. Maybe a little paint. You know, I could use a little touch up. So we'll see. Maybe after the new year, I'll get involved in that project. I don't want to really be down here in the winter time trying to do all these crazy projects. So dryers don't really. Again, I'm not making a ton off these, but quarter's a quarter, right? Looking to get into the laundromat industry, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're struggling with, what you need to know, what you want help with. Feel free to ask any question. Open book here, showing me everything, what it's like. Try and give somebody some tips, some help, you know, get into industry, because it's definitely good business. I enjoy it. Got to be dedicated. You got to be willing to work, though. You know, it's not all just sitting around collecting money. You do got to deal with problems. You got to deal with crazy customers. You got to deal with jams and fixes and stuff. So unless you want to keep paying out for everybody else to do all your work, you kind of got to learn how to do it and get it going. But well, so after that, so now we just got the machines in the front, and let's go see what they did. Alright, so we're in the front of the store. We got our 2 big machines here, 2 more there. I have the order sign on there. I gotta fix that. What happened? A quarter got jammed in there yesterday evening again. You know, so we'll check these, get that fixed, and see what the total is for the weekend. Let's see. Man, I always get these keys all messed up. Come on. There we go. Not a good weekend here. Our quarters are picking up, so it looks like our top loaders may carry us through the weekend. Those other big machines along the right side did all right. Let's go see. I know exactly what happened here. What happens with this machine is this gets stuck. That's what it is. Somebody pushes it and it gets stuck in there. It's a simple fix. I just got to get the pop back out. But it happens a lot to people. Okay, once I'm done collecting, we'll pop this top off and get that back in order. So, there you have it. That's pretty heavy. It's a 3.5 gallon bucket. It's pretty full from the top. So, go ahead and run it through the machine and see what we got. Alright, I'm in the back office now. In case you're curious, this is what behind the dryers looks like. This is where we store all our vending machine supplies for the laundry stuff. But let's go ahead and check the cash and see how much we got. See if we got to fill up these coin machines, how much is missing in there. Usually these pretty empty after the weekend. I don't know if you could see. Let me get a flashlight in there for you. So, pretty empty. We hold a good amount of quarters in here, so for that to be over halfway empty, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill these up and moving on. So let's see what we got on this one here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Yeah. Oh, figures. Alright, let's see about the other one. Oh, see, this side seems to be doing always better. Alright. So, as you see, it wasn't too bad of a weekend. So that it's not all fluff, you know, it's not just 20s, there's a lot of 1s in there and 5s and 10s. So we'll go ahead and count this and let you know what we made for the weekend. Alright, so we got the money all counted and we ended up with a total, don't want to lose it, we ended up with a total of $1,275 for the weekend, which is pretty good. It's not bad for just a Saturday and Sunday total. You add that into the $835 that we made earlier in the week, plus around $175, $200 in quarters extra that we have. Gives us a grand total of $2,275 for the week, which is pretty good. Every week seems to be getting better and better. Business is slowly growing and can't be more excited. So if you like this video, please think about giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you check out some of the other videos that I got posted if you want to learn more about the laundromat business. And stay tuned for next week's collection.